Okay, so this exercise is to really help get familiar with your flam taps. I really just try to find something that you can use to alternate each, so you're getting, you're getting flam tap, flam with your right and with your left. So I really just try to add doubles in between, and then on one hand, when you're trying to make the transition, you're going to have 3 instead of 2. You're going to have a triplet. It's not a triplet, but it's see what I mean? This left hand, because you're coming in on that flam tap, that grace note is it's going to make it 3. The grace note of the 1 is going to be, I'm sorry, but I like to alternate it back and forth, so I like to go. Woohoo! Better chops!